Welcome to STORExpress. Have you heard about our free truck for your move-in? We will show you how easy it is for your move-in into our storage facility. So let's get started. Here's one of our beautiful free trucks that we have available for your move-in. When you get to our facility, it's a very simple, easy process. You just walk in, meet our friendly and trained staff, and ask about our free truck. It takes less than 10 minutes to fill out the paperwork. Fill out the form, set it up, and then we'll go out and check out the truck. We do a quick walk around, just takes a minute or so. We go just to make sure you're good with the condition of it, verify that you have all the right equipment, moving pads, dollies, lock the back of the truck. Oh, by the way, free fuel. We actually pay for your gas. And once you verify the truck is in good shape, simply hop in and head on over to go get your belongings. You can go to your home or wherever they may be. When you get there, you want to be super careful, pack things very carefully, put them in the truck, lock up the back end to make sure it's secure, and then you can drive and head on back into our storage facility. When you get there, you drive right inside, out of the rain, the elements, the heat, and the cold, and then all you need to do is go ahead and take your boxes, your other belongings, load them into the storage unit, lock it up, drop off the keys, and you're all set. Greetings, and thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and check out our channel for more STORExpress content.